Hi friends, एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं. But do you know how to find number of days in each month? क्या आपको पता है कि हर महीने में कितने दिन होते हैं या याद कैसे रखते हैं? Come, let's learn. So there are 12 months in a year. Take your knuckles. These are called knuckles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Start counting with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. The months that fall on the knuckles, जो आपके knuckles के ऊपर fall हो रहे हैं, those months have 31 days, and those months which are falling in the gap have 30 days or less than 30 days, like February. February has 28 or 29 days. In my next video, I will tell you how to analyze which year is a leap year. Thank you.